Training manual script. If one of your employees quit tomorrow, how long would it take to get a replacement actually useful? Not just showing up, actually knowing what to do and where to find things. For most small business owners, that answer is uncomfortable because most of us never wrote anything down. We train people by being there, answering the same questions over and over, and fixing mistakes when someone was guessing. There's a better way now. AI can help you build a real employee training manual, even if writing isn't your thing and you've never made one before. Not a vague outline. An actual document a new hire can sit down with and learn from. Here's how it works. Start with your knowledge. Spend 20 or 30 minutes writing down everything a new employee needs to know. Don't organize it. Don't worry about how it sounds. What does their first day look like? What software do they need? What questions do new hires always ask? What mistakes happen in the first month? That messy list is your raw material. Use AI to structure it. Take your notes to ChatGPT or Claude. Both have free versions. Ask the AI to organize them into a logical training manual outline with sections and subsections. Tell it what kind of business you run and what the role is. Within minutes, you'll have a framework that would have taken hours to build. Here's the honest part. AI doesn't know your business. It doesn't know your customers, your quirks, your specific way of doing things. The outline is a starting point, not a finished product. You have to fill in the real details. If you skip this, you'll end up with something that sounds professional but tells no one anything specific. That's worse than nothing. Go section by section. Give the AI your rough notes and ask it to write them in clear language. If you run a bakery, tell it, here are the opening steps in order. Make it friendly but clear. It'll turn your bullet points into a readable process a new employee can actually follow. If the tone is off, just say so. It listens. Build a FAQ section. Ask AI to generate 15 questions a new hire would likely have. Then add your own, the ones you've been asked 100 times. Ask it to write clean answers based on what you tell it. This section alone will save you hours of interruptions. Pick a home for it. Google Docs is free and sufficient for most small businesses. Notion also has a free option and looks polished. Training-specific tools like Trainual exist, but start around $300 a month and are overkill for small teams. Fill in your specifics. AI fills in structure and language. You fill in what's actually true about working at your company, the cash-paying client, the Friday filing deadline, whatever your quirks are. Here's the bottom line. You know you can build a real training manual without hiring a consultant or spending a week writing. A couple hours of focused work, a free AI tool, and the knowledge already in your head. The manual doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to exist. Start today.